bet you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be your little shadow, following wherever you would go. Then I got a little older, and you gave me space to grow. I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need when He picked you from.
Happy Mother's Day! We love you!
Birthday, Mama. I love you. Thank you po, Mama, sa pag-aalaga sa akin. Mahal na mahal po kita. Love you, Mama. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you po sa mga binibigay niyo sa kanang regalo ng birthday ko po. Maraming salamat po. Ako po pinapapasok mo ako. Happy Mother's po. Hello po, Mama. Thank you po sa pag-aalaga sa akin. Love you. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mama. Love you.
Happy Mother's Day to all JTG mothers out there. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa buhay ninyo dahil meron kaming kayo. Meron kaming nanay sa ating church. And ang araw para pasalamatan namin kayo, hindi lang ngayong araw kundi araw-araw. And salute po kami sa inyong kabutihan, and we pray po na mas lalo pa po kayong palakasin at patibayin ni Lord. And thank you po sa walang sawang payo sa amin, at alam po namin na mahal nyo rin kami, and also mahal na mahal rin po namin kayo. And let's continue worshiping God. And we love you all, and we are salute to all of you. And also, we are thankful po sa inyong masasarap na luto, and more foods pa po na lulutuin sa amin. Charis. God bless us all po, and we love you.
Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mga nanay. Thank you so much po for being such an amazing mom. Your love, care, and sacrifices are truly appreciated. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mga nanay. Thank you po sa mga sakripisyo nyo. We love you. Mwah.
Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mga nanay. Salamat po sa pagmamahal at pag-aalaga niyo po sa amin. Happy Mother's Day po.
And hello po, Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, especially po sa aming church. And I know na hindi po madali maging nanay. It takes a lot of strength, patience, and selflessness. But you continue to give care and love. So for that, we are endlessly grateful. And today, we honor you, and not just for the things you do, but for who you are. And remember that you are God's gift. We love you. Muli, Happy Mother's Day po. Stay blessed and highly favored.
Hello everyone, Blessed Sunday. I want to share this short message for our mothers in our church. Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers in our church who serve love, compassion, and faith. Your influence makes us difference. Thank you for being a blessing to your family and community. May God's love and grace surround you all day and today and always. We love you and we care for you. Happy Mother's Day.
Good afternoon, everyone. I wrote a special letter for the upcoming Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in our church. Thank you for your love, care, and guidance in teaching your children the ways of the Lord. Your love and faith are a true inspiration to us all. May God bless and continue to guide you on your journey as mothers. Once again, a very happy Mother's Day.
I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need when He picked you from the